What's up, everybody? It's Shane with Moretti Outdoors, and we got a great gear review coming up right now. Hey guys, thanks for joining me for another review. Alright, well, so this is the Pro-4 Tactical 4-piece survival set, and I actually stumbled upon this at my fiance's work. She had them there. There's something they do every year for Christmas. I haven't really been able to find this online anywhere. I've been digging and digging on Amazon and everywhere. I just cannot find this kit online. I don't know if it's just, she works at a store called Tyson's, so I don't know if this is just something that they get every year. But so this set has the 300 lumen tactical lantern, a survival pocket knife with flashlight, which is a quick folder. Then it has a 300 lumen tactical flashlight. And then it has a tactical gear pack. And this, believe it or not, I mean, this kit kind of seems like it's a little cheap. I mean, it was only $20, and I ended up getting it for $18 with their discount. So anyway, I was pretty interested in wanting to review this to see how it stands up to, you know, other stuff. This is kind of like a budget pack. So that's kind of nice that it's a budget thing, because I do a lot of budget reviews. Obviously, you guys know that. So let's crack this thing open and see how budget this stuff really is, and see if it holds any water. Let's see if this stuff is worth anything, you know. So let's crack it open. All right, so let's start with this 300 lumen lantern, and I already see right off the bat, it's pretty cool. It actually has a compass on top. Now I have a lantern just like this, and it does not have a compass. It's a little bit more expensive too. It's $20 just for the lantern. So it did come with batteries too. There's three I believe. It's got a magnet's on the bottom. It's got a hook, and I believe it's 3 or 4. 3 AA batteries came with them. They're probably cheaper, but hey, it came with batteries. How do you beat this for $20? Let's see how bright this thing is. It's just one of those lift up. Now, wow, that is pretty bright. I'm pretty shocked. Look at that. That is a nice bright light. All LEDs, 300 lumens. Nice. Not bad for, I mean, like I said, this is a $20 kit. Not bad at all. I'm actually pretty surprised. I don't know how waterproof this thing is or anything either, but it says a lot of this stuff in this kit is waterproof and stuff. Let's go with the tactical flashlight next with the holder. Nice little carrying case it came with. Put it right on your belt loop. Let's see what this says about the batteries. Batteries inside. So once again, this came with batteries as well. Check that out. 3 AAAs right inside, ready to rock and roll. Let's check this out. Nice little tactical flashlight. Has the telescoping in and out. Let's see how bright this is. And it's got that square pattern when it's telescoped all the way out, and when it's telescoped all the way in. Wow, not bad. Seriously, I'm super shocked. I mean, this is some cheaper stuff, but I mean, geez, this is a survival kit on a budget for sure. This is nice. Let's see how many modes. There's 2 modes, so bright and dim. Oh, and we got a flash. Another flash. So that must be an SOS flash. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this thing has 5 modes, guys, and it's got that nice telescoping head on it, and that's a nice flashlight. I'm pretty impressed with this kit already. This would be a good Christmas gift. I wish they sold these all over the place, but like I said, I've only seen them at my fiance's work. Let's go with the Pro-4 Tactical kit. This is a little haversack, small little pouch. Got the straps in the back, quick release straps. Got a nice little pouch here in the front. Fairly big too. Nice little holster right there. And inside, got some foam. Take that out of there. Yeah, look at that. It's got some nice pouches in here. I like that. It's a pretty nice little pouch. It's got a little loop right here for hooking it on something. Another compartment here. That's a nice little pouch right there. I like that. That's very cool. All right, well, another thing too now this came with. It came with this Pro-4 tactical knife. And you guys know me and my knives. I like this. Now this knife has a little compass on the back. It has a little flashlight that telescopes out sideways. And let's see how bright that is. Alright, so I got it figured out. And there was a little piece of paper in there. And that's not much. It's probably like 10 lumens. Not real super bright. But which is fine. I mean, if you just need a little light for something, I mean, that's pretty cool that you got a tactical light on your knife anyway. That's actually pretty cool. So, and also it has a window breaker on the back. And it has a seatbelt cutter and a rope cutter. Cut something on there. And then it's got the quick release open, which is really nice. I love that. That is great. Not a bad little blade. It's serrated. Let me go get the light back on. So this blade is a serrated blade, which is kind of nice. Nothing wrong with the serrated blade. It is 440 stainless steel, handcrafted in China, of course. It's got, you know, some paint on the blade. Blade is super sharp. I really like the curvature of the blade. It fits really nice in the hand. It's going to be a good pocket knife. Really nice pocket knife, I think, actually. And I really like that quick release. That's awesome. Check that out. Boom. It's out. Not a bad little knife. Guys, not a bad little kit. I'm super, super impressed with this little kit, guys. For $20 without a discount, you know, $18 for me. That is a nice little kit. I really like it a lot, and I thought I'd share it with you guys because, I mean, for the money, I'm like, man, this has got to be some kind of a farce, or this stuff is just pure junk. But I'm actually really super impressed with this stuff. So, all right, guys. Well, I mean, that's really all I got for you on this review. I just wanted to share this little kit with you, and I thought it was really cool. But I want you guys to really look out for, you know, some of my videos coming. Now, I'm going to be doing an overnighter out there with all the gear that I've reviewed that I have not tried out. So I'm going to go out on an overnighter with all unreviewed gear. My Uberleben stuff, some special MREs that I have not shown anybody, and a bunch of other gear and stuff that I have not used. Some of this stuff even I'll take with me. We'll see how it holds up out there in the elements. And I'm just going to spend a whole night out in the wilderness. I'll have my snowshoes and all that good stuff, and we're going to test out a whole bunch of gear that's brand new that I reviewed but have not used yet. I thought that'd be fun to do, and you guys can kind of see how things hold up, so it's a live, you know, kind of a live mock-up of what, you know, to expect with some of the gear that I have. So, well, guys, that's it. I really appreciate you guys sticking through another awesome gear review. I got many more gear reviews coming, more MRE reviews coming. Still trying to push those hours at work. I finally got hired on full time, so I'm doing level 2 welding, and that's going really good, but I'm working buku hours, like 54 to 56 hours a week, so I'm pretty tired, and then I'm juggling family life and in the holidays and stuff. So, well, enough jabbing, guys. I really appreciate you sticking around. God bless. Go wild. We'll see you on the next one. Thank you, guys.